Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving straight into how to create a freelance project tracker with Airtable. Let's get started. Our first step is to log into your Airtable account and select Create a Base. We're starting from scratch because that's how we tailor the tracker to your specific freelance needs. Now, once you're in, you'll see a grid. Let's name our first table Projects. This is where you'll list all your ongoing projects. Next up, we're adding some fields. Go ahead and include project name, client, deadline, status, and payment. The reason we do this is to have all essential project information in one place. Remember to set the right field type for each. For instance, deadline should be a date field and payment a currency field. Now that we've done that, let's create a second table named Clients. Much like the Projects table, you'll add fields like client name, contact info, and total projects. This helps us because it consolidates all client-related data for easy access. Here's where the magic happens. We're going to link the two tables. In your Projects table, create a new field named Client Info and set its type to Link to another record. Choose the Clients table, and voila! Your tables are linked. Let me explain why this matters. Linking tables allows you to pull data from one table to another, making your tracker highly interconnected. Finally, let's customize our views. You can create a calendar view for your projects table to visualize your deadlines. Similarly, a gallery view for your clients table provides a quick overview of all your clients. Custom views are an efficient way to see your data in a format that works best for you. And there you have it. You've successfully created a freelance project tracker with Airtable. Remember, the key to a great tracker is one that caters to your needs, so don't be afraid to tweak and experiment. Thanks for tuning in, and see you next time.